Hello children, hope you all are fine. This is me again Shobhi. Today we are going to see about outdoor games in chapter 6, Fun with Games. Outdoor games. The games that we play outside in a park or a ground are called outdoor games. These games also keep our mind and body fit and healthy. Physical activities like running and hopping are possible in these games only if there is a lot of open space. Cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between two teams with 11 players each. The team that gets to bat first tries to score runs by hitting the ball and running between the wickets. The team that is bowling and fielding has to get the batting team out as quickly as possible. The bowling team then gets to bat and must make one more run than the first team to win the game. There are three forms of this game. A test match for cricket is played for 5 days. A one-day match and a 2020 match are shorter version of this game, etc. In India, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is the highest run scorer in one day and test cricket match. Hockey. Hockey is an outdoor game. It is the national game of India. Two teams play the game of hockey. Each team has 11 players. It is played with hockey sticks and a ball in a field. Each team tries to score goals by hitting the ball into the other team's goalpost. The goalkeeper in each team tries to stop the ball from entering the goalpost. The team which scores more goals wins the game, etc. Indian hockey team has won 8 gold medals in Olympic Games. Football. In the game of football, there are two teams. Each team has 11 players who chase and kick the ball. Each team tries to strike goals in the opponent's goalpost. There is also a goalkeeper similar to the game of hockey. Another name for the game of football is soccer. Hopscotch. In this game, 8 boxes joined with each other are laid on the ground. The player throws a pebble in the first box and hops with one foot till the 8th box and comes back. The player must skip the box in which the stone has landed. The player must not touch the lines, else he or she will be out. On the way back, the pebble is picked up. The player who throws and picks the stone from all the boxes first wins the game. Hope you all understood about outdoor games, right? Now, let's see the new words. Opponent. O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T. Opponent. O-P-P-O-N-E-N-T. Opponent. Bowling. B-O-W-L-I-N-G. Bowling. B-O-W-L-I-N-G. Bowling. Wickets. W-I-C-K-E-T-S. Wickets. W-I-C-K-E-T-S. Wickets. Batting. B-A-T-T-I-N-G. Batting. B-A-T-T-I-N-G. Batting. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. Olympic. O-L-Y-M-P-I-C. Olympic. O-L-Y-M-P-I-C. Olympic. Chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. Pebble. P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble. P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble. Fielding. F-I-E-L-D-I-N-G. Fielding. F-I-E-L-D-I-N-G. Fielding. Kick. K-I-C-K. Kick. K-I-C-K. Kick. Refer the page number 80 to do practice zone 2. Match the following. You have to match the column A to column B. For example, A, cricket. Where is the cricket bat and ball? It is here. So write A here. Likewise, you have to read the words and match them correctly. Right? Okay. Refer the page number 77 to 79. Answer for the following questions. Name the team games which has 11 players in each team. Which game is called as soccer? Name any two importance of games. Okay children, you have to write these questions and new words in your EVS notebook, right? See you again. Bye.